Hi, I'm Allison, and welcome to this 10-minute morning energy flow. This practice is designed to wake up your body and to bring fresh energy to your day. For more yoga practices, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's begin in an easy seat. So sitting cross-legged, you can close your eyes or gently gaze down onto the earth. Just take a deep inhale here through your nose and exhale, sigh it out of your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale, let go of any heaviness. Just allow your spine to lengthen here. We're going to take a little side stretch here, so you can keep your eyes closed for this practice, or if you prefer, you can begin to just flutter them open. On your next inhale, bring your arms up overhead. Exhale, lower that right hand down towards the earth, bringing your left hand up and over. Your gaze could be up towards your left side, or maybe down towards your right forearm. Just breathe here. On your next inhale, bring both arms back up. And this time exhale, lowering that left hand down, right arm comes up and over. Just noticing your right side body expanding with your inhales and softening with your exhales. On next inhale, bring both arms back up to center, and exhale, gently release them back down. We're going to come into a cat-cow flow here, so you can just begin to roll over your knees. I'm going to turn to the side so it's easier for you to see. But coming up onto all fours, your knees are stacked under your hips and shoulders are stacked over your wrists. On your next inhale, we're going to come into cow pose. So lifting your tailbone and gaze up towards the sky. And on an exhale, rounding your back, bringing your chin into your chest and tucking that tailbone in. And this is your cat pose. So bring some breath to movement here. Inhaling your cow, lifting your gaze. And exhaling cat, rounding your back. Let's take about 2 more rounds, or if there's any other organic movement you want to take, feel free to take it now. And then when you're ready, coming back into center, we're going to come into puppy pose. So this is a really good shoulder opener. So coming back into table, keeping those hips stacked on your knees, begin to just extend your arms out in front of you, lowering your chest, and maybe your forehead touches the earth. Let's take 2 slow breaths here. And when you're ready, slowly begin to walk your hands back in towards center. We're going to come into a down dog. So you can inhale, tuck your toes. Exhale, down dog, lifting your knees, straightening your legs. Your biceps should be framing your ears here. If it feels good, you can take your dog for a walk, bending one knee and then the other. And just make sure you have your fingers spread wide here, that you're actively pressing on the earth with your hands. And on your next inhale, gaze in between your hands, and you can just begin to slowly walk your feet up towards the top of your mat. From here, let's just hang out in that forward fold, so allowing your neck and head to be heavy here. Maybe you shake your head yes or shake your head no. And coming back to center, to stillness. And we're going to inhale to halfway lift. Take a breath in here and tuck your chin just a little. On your next exhale, fold over your legs again. And this next inhale, you can have a deep bend in your knee as we're going to slowly rise up vertebrae by vertebrae, having your neck and head be the last to rise, coming into mountain, fingers spread wide at your sides. Let's inhale, upward salute, arms overhead. Exhale, swan dive down, hinging at your hips, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way back up. Upward salute, arms overhead. And this time bring your palms to touch, your gaze can follow. And exhale your palms to your heart center. Let's take that one more time. Coming into mountain. Take an inhale. Bring your arms up overhead, upward salute. Exhale, swan dive down into that forward fold. Take an inhale here, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, rise all the way up, upward salute, arms overhead, palms touch. Exhale, palms to your heart center. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. From here, you can keep your hands at heart center, or you can place your hands on your hips. We're just going to step back into a low lunge. So grounding that right foot, keeping it at the top of your mat. Just step that left foot back, coming up onto your toes. And then exhale, bend both knees, lowering that left knee down onto the ground. Inhale, lift your arms up overhead. And exhale, lowering your arms to frame that front foot. Inhale, step that left foot forward. And take a breath here, forward fold. And when you're ready, just inhale, upward salute. Palms touch. And exhale, palms to heart center. Hands back on your hips. Put all your weight into that left foot as you step that right foot back. Bending both knees, lowering that right knee to the ground. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, lower your hands to frame that front foot. And step your right foot back. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, upward salute. Both arms come overhead. Gaze can follow as your palms touch. And exhale, lowering your palms to your heart center. You can close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. And exhale, let it go. Thank you so much for practicing with me. And just notice how you feel now than versus when we started. Again, for more yoga practices, feel free to follow me. Thank you.